Let's solve this. So we have this, and you need to consider BODMAS whenever you're solving any question that relates to order of operation, or you say PEMDAS, the same thing. So if you look at this place, we have brackets, we have division, we don't have half of, we have division, we have multiplication, we have addition, and then we have subtraction. But then we have to follow it from the very first one, which is brackets. So we'll solve any part that has to do with brackets first. So we have 72 divided by 3 times 2 is what? 6. So you're done with this bracket, plus, then we have 5. Now in this one, we deal with the first one, the inner bracket, the innermost bracket. So our 5 times 9 minus 3 is what? No, sorry, 9 minus 6 is what? 3. Then we have minus 8. We're not done with brackets, but let's continue. 72 divided by 6. I'll have 1, 2, that is 12, plus, then we do 5 times 3 is what? 15. So I've cleared the brackets, minus 8. Now, when it comes to plus and there is addition and subtraction, the rule says that addition will come before subtraction. So we have 12 plus 15 will give us what? 27 minus 8. So 27 minus 8 will give us what? 19. This is the answer. So I believe you enjoyed the class once again. Bye!